Oh, police! How many of you are like this? Or seen people doing this? These are the people who believe wearing helmet leads to hair fall. Fellow Toastmasters and my dear friends, today I am going to share one such story. This story is about a slave and young John, who is a loving and caring husband, father and son. The entire family's responsibility lies on his shoulders. He is the only bread earner for the entire family. He was a nice guy, but the only problem that he had was not wearing helmet. He used to think it leads to hair fall. He had a strong bonding and a special bonding with his 3-year-old daughter. And this daughter always used to wait for her dada to come back from work and used to update everything that used to happen throughout the day. Not only about herself, but also about her mom and grandparents. Now you know how we dads get all the updates of the family. This sweet little girl also used to be awake even when her dad comes late from office, and she will never forget to update her dad. And dad was never less. He used to listen to her patiently even though he was tired, because he loved the process. This cute girl never slept without listening to the story of her dad. Such was their bonding. One Sunday, John receives the call from the office and he was called to do urgent work. Now John knew it's very difficult to convince his daughter, because Sunday is the time that he used to entirely dedicate to his family, especially to his daughter. So he promised her that he will come back early and he will buy her favorite chocolate. She readily agreed and she was eagerly waiting for her dada to come back. It was 7:30 at night. There is no sign of John. A family friend comes and gives the message: John is no more. John met with an accident while trying to cross the road in his motorbike, and he lost his life. The whole family was shattered. The little girl asked Mama, "When is Dada coming back? When will I get my favorite chocolate?" And Mama says, "He's never going to return. God loves him and he has taken him to his house." Daughter says, "I love him more than God. Let's go to God's house. Let us bring him back." Such was the love for her father. Even now she believes God will change his mind and her dada will return. Doctor informed the family that John had internal bleeding in his head and that's why he couldn't survive. If he had worn the helmet, he would have survived. Yes, my dear Toastmasters and guests, if he had worn the helmet, he would have survived. That's what doctor said. That's the life lesson from John. Wear helmet, be safe. Let us not give all the stupid reasons that wearing helmet leads to hair fall, wearing helmet will spoil our hairstyle. What is the use of this hair when we don't have the life? This hair can be fixed, but life once lost cannot be recovered. Even the stats say that most of the deaths in road accidents are due to not wearing of helmet. Report on road accident analysis by Tamil Nadu March 2018 states that 52% of deaths in road accidents are due to not wearing of helmet. And 43,600 deaths in road accidents are due to not wearing of helmets, as per an article in Times of India dated September 2019. Is this stat not enough for us to believe that wearing helmet keeps us safe? Let us all wear helmet while driving two-wheeler and follow traffic rules. Let us not wait for another daughter to think that God will change his mind one day and her data will return back. Although this is a story and it can be of anybody's, but let us decide today, we'll wear helmet and be safe. Wear helmet, be safe. Please unmute yourself and say, I will. Please unmute yourself and say, I will. Say, thank you, thank you. Now let me tell you one more thing. Thank you. Now let me tell you one more thing. The person whom I was referring to in the beginning had four hands. And still he believes that wearing helmet leads to hair fall. Over to you, T.M. Modi.